K-Box. Hi guys, welcome to our K-Box. Today we're going to learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Okay. Go ahead.
So 9 plus 9 equals 18. Everyone knows that. Only some of you guys won't. And you carry over 1 year. Then you keep 8 at the answer because the 1 has to be here. Then 1 plus 3 plus 8. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 equals 12. So keep a 100 here. And then keep the 20 here. Then 100 plus nothing equals 128.
Good.
Now we're adding 100, so it's even trickier. And like the last one, 3 plus 8 is, so now it's 11. So let's keep like 11. So the 1 goes here, then the 10 goes up here. And 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 7 is 17. 7 goes here, and the 1 goes here. Then it equals 974. Now we are adding 100.
Arhaan, is this 4?
Oh, I think I kept it as a 1, but then
Yes.
it turned into a 4. Now it's 1,000 addition. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 plus 6 plus 6 equals 13. Now we just have to add a 5 here. 328.
5,328.
Yeah.
Is it 5?
Yeah.
What is this number?
4.
No, here this is 7.
7?
Yeah, this is not 1, this is 7.
Oh, I thought it was 4.
Yeah. This is 4 and this is 7.
Oh. Okay then. So 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 7 is 12.
Mm-hmm.
So we have 10,000 now.
Yes.
10,000 here.
You said 12. 12 is the answer.
So
2 here.
2 here,
Mm-hmm.
and then 1 here.
Good.
10,000 to 12,328.
Great.
That's a big one.
Yes.
That means
Let's go to subtraction.
we're in multiplication.
Yeah, let's finish the subtraction.
Okay. I'll come to
Here, start here.
Oh,
It's
here?
subtraction, yes.
Oh,
yes.
easy.
Subtraction.
So 9 minus 2 equals 7. Now that 7 minus 3 is 4. 47. Ooh. Now this is 100 like this one.
You can borrow if
Yeah, because what is like 2 minus 9? It has to be 9, like 9 minus 2.
So what do you do now?
You carry over. You ask.
You borrow. Borrow.
You borrow
Sorry.
a 1 from you borrow the 1 from the 5, and then the 5 turns into 4.
Okay.
Then we get a 12. 12 minus 9 equals so 12 minus 9 equals 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 6 minus 3 is 3. 313.
Good.
Now we have 2 minus 0. More like 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. 6, then that. Okay.
What is 2? No, 2. What is 2 minus 0?
2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 3.
5 minus 3 is
2. Silly P. All the funniest addition magic in the world. Now, last and for all, we have 6 minus 3 is 3.
What is the answer?
3,202.
Great. Good. I'm
what-
very excited for the multiplication. I'm
Me
not
too.
sure if you can do it. Let's see.
But I'm sure I can do it.
Let's see. Come on.
Why is it 10? Okay. Now, this is going to be easy actually. So, if you guys are doing like this sentence, like 9 times 7, you can, like 9 times 9, you can keep like 10 fingers up, find the 9th finger on your hand, then
You are talking about a 9 table. You want to tell a tricky 9 table, a 9 table trick?
yeah, so
Okay.
raise 10 fingers up, then take down the 9th finger, and then how many do you have? These are the 10s on this side, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 80, and now we have 1, 81. 81.
Good.
That's the answer. So that's a little fun, yeah, guys?
Yes, it is.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And
Happy holidays.
happy holidays.